Okay. So I'm going to deploy two-tier application on DigitalOcean today. So first is requirement two server on DigitalOcean, front-end and back-end. Mobile Storm as a remote terminal we use, and Git repository for cloning, install Python 3, and pip for dependencies. And I need a browser and a Postman tool for testing. So right now I'm going to
fix the like this install later, okay?
Okay.
INST. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, right now I'm going to configure from backend first. So I'm going to open the mobile store as a remote terminal. I'm going to configure first and backend first. Okay, and using Western as a remote terminal. So I put my backend, I put this here. Is what is it now? Okay. And I'm going to update the terminal. Updating. Yeah, it's already exists. So I'm going to. Yeah, I have a two-tier application here. So I'm going to change the directory. Okay, I have one backend and frontend here. So I'm going to change the directory for backend first. Yes, I'm right in the inside of backend. Okay. And I'm going to requirement by TST.
Ferdous, why do you do like this? Why you're not typing?
Oh, okay.
You should type.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
I'm going to update. I'm going to Python. Python 3. . I've already installed the Python. So right now I'm going to install as a dependency pip file. The command is app and so implement is apt install apt install Python 3 dash pip. Already installed this file. I don't need to upgrade it. Then this file, I need to know which base file is it. Then I put the command cat dot cat add py. Is there any problem?
You mistake the AP only, APP.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. It's the Flask file, right? So I need to export Flask first. Okay. So I'm going to export Flask. So I'm going to all caps plus 12 to p dot py. To run Flask on this command. Sorry. Then I'm gonna check it in the IP address. This is yes. Is that okay, bye? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, I have done front end. Okay, so right now I'm going to deploy front end. Okay.
You need to speak louder so other people can hear. We cannot hear you now. So you just do it and say it.
Okay.
So show and tell.
Okay, very good. Okay. So right now I'm deploying the front end. Okay. But first I need to update the front end. Okay, so I'm going to copy this front end link, then paste it here. Open the terminal. Okay. Is subject everything. I'm going to Okay, I'm going to clone the Git repository. It's already exist. So then I'm going to airlines, put airlines. There is a two-tier application. I'm going to change the directory.
Please mute yourself.
Creation. I'm going to do frontend right now. Change directory. Frontend. Okay. As then I'm going to export the Node.js file from here. I'm using this card link. Okay. Is there any wrong way?
Well, of course, something is wrong. Go back to copy and paste again.
Okay.
Go back.
This color, right? Okay. Okay.
Make it
Copy
okay.
again. Now go back, go back. Copy again, please.
Okay. So I'm going to export this link again. Where's the link? This link. And then right now I'm going to install NVM 14 version. NVM it's already installed, so now I'm going to npm install. npm install. System take a little bit time.
Many things already installed. So if this is the case, you can say that I install this. I'm only going to do the configuration.
Okay, wait. Okay, sounds good. Okay, right now I need to check the source. This command. So okay. Terrace. So this is a okay. I'm going to edit the setup proxy file. Setup. Proxy.js file. Okay. So
So it is already configured. You did it before, right?
yeah, I did it before.
Okay.
So it's already configured. So do I need to do it again?
No, yes, if you are supposed to do everything from the scratch.
Yeah.
So the best is if you did
Okay.
it, you should create the 2 new server, but yeah, go ahead, continue, please.
Okay. Sorry. This is the thing. I'm going to copy this link and check this is working or not. Is anything wrong?
Why you are asking me? You are the one who is configuring. Of course, something is wrong. We can see that.
You forgot to start.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But why? You should have your own like a documentation that you should give an overview.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm pretty much confused.
No, you
I'm sorry, but
if you're nervous, it's okay, but you should have it's a flow. You make the
I get it.
changes, and then we need to start the NPM.
Okay. It's working. This is the summation. So I have done with the front-end server. Now
So,
I'm going.
so there is a chance that you'll forget everything you did. There is a 3 reasons why. Because probably you did not create a good documentation yourself that you can understand and follow the flow.
I did buy. I have a good
You did?
documentation, but I
Okay, all right.
first time.
Then you're nervous. Okay, I got it. Okay, it's okay. Then you're good. Okay, continue, please. Go ahead.
Okay. So I'm going to use the.
Do you show me how you can know? Can you go back?
Pardon?
Go back to the your app. No, go back to the app like on the website, on the web application.
For web application.
The last tab, React.
Okay.
Can you show me how to find out the API, the endpoint, and the API request from here?
I can understand. Bye.
Can you find out the how do you get the API like from the? Can you inspect it?
I'm sorry, bye. I
Okay.
can understand.
Okay, go back to the Postman. Thank you.
Oh, I can get it properly.
That's fine. You can do the Postman. Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to copy the URL backend. Okay.
Do it from new one, Bhaiya, if you don't mind.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go to the body, select row, text is just 5. Okay. Yes, it is working. Then I do for summation part. Okay, summation. And, okay. I'll start pretty much here.
Leave the number there.
Which number?
Yeah, just leave it number as you had before.
Like 2, 3, 4?
Instead of sum, put the number.
Okay.
You didn't change yet.
So this sum instead
Yeah.
of
Kept it the way you had it before.
anywhere? Okay. Oh, okay. That's it. Thank you. That's it. Bye.
No, this thank you is not enough. This thank you has some issues. You are
okay.
doing the memorization. Memorization does not work. Okay, so let me walk you through this step by step because
Okay.
it's not understand. Go back to your GitHub, please. Where do you copy the code? It is important. GitHub, go to the GitHub.
Yeah.
Yes, open it. Go to the backend. Click the backend folder. Click the app.py. Click it. Look at the line number 13.
Oh. Yes, I get you, bro. Yeah.
And then go back to the website again, like your web portal. Yeah. Yeah, go back here. Right click on it. Right click. No, right click. Any white space, right click. Go to the inspect. And the click network on the top. Go click network. And then, okay, send the request now. Don't do anything, send the request. Just submit, click submit there on the number.
What is the number, bye?
On your reverse summation.
Left
Okay.
side, yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now you go back to the, you see that you got the reverser. What
Yeah.
is, you submit, you did not submit anything. Submit, please. Okay, submit now. Okay, click reverser now, the last one. Click it. And click the payload. Click the payload. That's why I asked you this one. They show me how you get the API payload.
Okay.
Go back to command prompt now.
Command.
Command prompt, go back to terminal. Okay, go back to your backend server. Cancel it, Control C, stay there, stay there. You see this? Everything you are doing, everything you can see on the log file. That's how you, so that's how you see what is happening on the UI. You see everything is collecting. Look at the what server, 122. 122 is sending the request.
Yeah.
The last 2 lines. And the what they sent, host. What is it? Reverser.
Reverser, yeah.
It's the same. Okay, now cancel it. Control C. ls. Now go back to the app.py, cat app.py. Enter. You see that this is actually the code file.
Oh.
See the number, the JSON, the body is here. Line number maybe 13. So because you did not understand the each of this, the workshop, so you're trying to do the memorization. So you did today, that's fine, but memorization would not work. Every single dot you need to understand why in the workshop why he said that. You rather stuck there is better, but you cannot do the memorization. It will not work. Memorization will hurt your potential. So this is the code base. Every code base, you don't need to write the code, but you need to understand the code. So basically, understanding means at least you need to know where is the API, the return JSON, IFY, and that's the num. That's exactly your like the endpoint.
Okay.
Do you know this? That's how you configured. And go back to the front end now. Cancel it. And the ls cat setup proxy.js.
Proxy.js.
Okay. Walk me through, what did you understand about this one? Do you understand this part?
No, bye. This is, I think, the.
Okay. So you see this, you are trying to memorize, right? Again, I'm just trying to, memorization does not work. This is the front end code base. This is the front end, actually the code. And this front end actually are targeting to reach the back end, which is the HTTP, you're the 134.209.71.
Okay.
That's exactly has been discussed. The front end always reach out to the back end and to get the response. So when you do this reverser and the type this 134 and tab on your front end, like the server on the back end server. Here, give me control, please. Okay, stay there. Did you see this?
Yeah.
Okay. When you are actually typing this, type this. Actually, this is hitting this code.
The backend, right?
Yes, sir. And when you actually summation the configured here, this server address of the backend is exactly hitting this.
Okay.
So you need to understand that. So that's the part was missing. So your things was not working properly.
Oh,
And this kind of things is the most important, the foundation of your like the whole journey. Once you get it, it will be super easy rest of the process. So that's the reason the front end and back end works. If you make the changes there, what happened? Let me go back here. Let's go see PIM. So I also see you have some like the Linux issues. If you change this port number, do you think it is going to work now?
no.
It may not work, because if you change the port number, you have to change the port number everywhere.
Yeah.
It is the default port number. So if you change it, you have to make sure you change everywhere. If you do not, yeah. And this is actually are you found it? Yeah. This is the Python code. This is actually Python language, okay? Flask is the framework. And when you actually run the first part, hello world, this is the set. And when you configure the front end, then it display this part. And this is actually the Node.js. So you have to set that's the front end near Node.js. So you install the Node.js, install the npm, and then you connect it to the connected with the backend by providing the IP address. So it's a Node.js JavaScript code. This is the Python code. That's the reason you install the Python and then pip3. So if you really understand, you should be able to speak every single dot. And that's the part is very important to understand. You got it?
Yep.
Okay. And then the last part is, let me see. Okay. I think I'm good. The remaining. So the one part is, I think in the Linux part, do a little bit more practice. Okay.
Okay.
Just a little bit. Then you should be good to go.
Okay.
Anyone have any other question, guys? This is the first day, so he's nervous, but he did it.
And no question for him. So nervous.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did great. Just do some more practice, I would say.
Yeah, and practice after understanding. Okay, practice after understanding, like what is the front, where is the front end code, what is the back end code, what it does. Once you understand that part, once that goes to your brain, remaining things are just piece of cake. It's like the math. Okay. Good.
Yes, bye.
Thank you. Very good. At least you are working hard all day to do this one. That's good. I like that. It's challenging, right? It's not easy. To do the show and tell is not easy. Am I right?
Because I want to say something, but it's not my personal cause.
Yeah, it is.
Also
It's
share
very-
with you, but I have a little bit what?
No.
I don't say any excuse, but I'm doing my job.
Good. Exactly. No excuse, nothing.
But I'm trying to do my level best.
Good. No, that's good. You're good. You did good. You do a couple more time, you will see everything will be changed. Okay.
Yeah.
You'll be like 2 or 3 times more and everything will be better.
Yeah.
Very nice job. Yes.
Yeah. I understand it. Thank you everybody for joining and supporting me.
Okay, guys. No, definitely. Thank you, guys.
Thank
Have a
you.
good night, everyone.